How to fix JBL PartyBox 300 not turning on or not charging. Here how you can simply solve the sound box from the steps in this video. Step 1 will be check the power source and the cable. Try a different outlet. Sometime it's just a wall outlet. Inspect the charging cable and adapter for visible damage or fairing from anything. Use a non-working charger for 15 volt or 3D AC compatible with the PartyBox 300. Step 2 will be hard reset the speaker. Sometimes a reset can fix power issues. To perform this, make sure the speaker is off. Press and hold the volume plus and the play pause buttons together for about 10 seconds. The speaker should reboot or flash lights if successful. If it won't, turn on at all. Skip to the battery and power troubleshooting. Step 3 is check the battery status. Plug in the charger and look for any LED indicator lights from there. If the battery is completely drained, it might need 10 to 15 minutes before showing any signs of life from there. Use the speaker while plugged in. The PartyBox 300 can run on AC power without any battery, so try turning it while plugged in to the power source or outlet. Step 5 is internal battery connection issue. If the unit won't power on even while plugged in, the internal battery connection may have come loose, common in portable units. That is also common in other devices as well. This would require opening the back panel and resetting the battery cable. Only attempt this if you are comfortable with electronics or out of warranty, otherwise get professional help. Step 6 will be firmware issue. If the speaker turns on but acts weird, example does not charge or gets stuck in the boot, connect it to a computer and check if JBL offers a firmware update via JBL Portable app or any other website. The last step would be contact the JBL support, so on the chat or email. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it.